All right, guys, this is a little different, but we were showing some houses to some other clients, and we came across this gem that is, I think, perfect for downsizing and those people that don't want to be necessarily in 55 and over community, but want the activities. Well, we are in Windsong Ranch today, and that's like one of the top communities in all of Texas. It does have an activity director, puts on events for empty nesters all the time. So this is in a real community. This isn't any hybrid or anything like this. This is built by Coventry. Coventry is in Chambers Creek, etc. But this house right here is 2,100 square feet. It's 3 bedrooms, has this kind of game area that you can turn into an office or use it as a game area. If you want to invite Andy and Patrice over to play cards, by all means.
Please do.
But you've got 2 guest rooms right over here. This thing is blown out. Like, I'm telling you, most of the home prices in Windsong Ranch are well over $1 million plus, and they are blowing this thing out because they only have a couple left. And this is $550,000, which is absolutely insane. So this is a nice guest bedroom. If you're not familiar with Windsong Ranch is the community with the 5-acre lagoon. So it has your pickleball, it has your tennis courts, has an activity director that puts on 150 plus activities a year. What else, Patrice?
Oh man, it's got mountain bike trails, it has disc golf, it has, I mean, basically everything you want at a lot of these 55 and over communities.
Yeah, it's got like 4 or 5 different amenity centers. It has 600 acres of open space. Here's bedroom number 2. So a lot of you, like I said, are struggling with, do I want a 55? I want to kind of dip my toe. I want to downsize. Well, this is that kind of home where you're downsizing, you're not downgrading by any means. 2,100 square feet in this community. I'm telling you, the average prices are closer to $900,000. You've got your laundry area right here. You do have a 2-car garage.
Laundry. And then I'll go open up the garage. Normal size garage. You've got a tankless water heater.
Yeah, Coventry is known for their energy efficiency. They really build an efficient home. I want to point out the wood flooring all the way through. You've got nice little dining area here. And then this kitchen, look at the thick granite that they're using. They've got 2-tone where you've got the wood as well as the white. You've got your drawers.
Yeah, this is very, very well done.
I mean, very well done. I mean, everything that you would want. Your snack closet, again, decent size. And location-wise, in Dallas area, you are in Prosper, Texas, and you're right across from Frisco, if you're familiar with Frisco at all. And right across from the PGA headquarters. So that whole PGA Fields West and that whole development, we're talking homes less than 2 miles away from here that are going upwards of $40 million. So from an investment standpoint, I'm not sure you could beat this. This is on a 50-foot wide lot. You got your fireplace. It's just a nice, comfortable home. It's perfect. The reason why we're looking at it is we're looking at it for one of our first-time home buyers. But it's perfect for either a first-time home buyer or someone looking just to downsize it but doesn't want, the stress of a 55 and over. I don't mean stress, but like.
We do have a lot of clients that don't want the hustle and bustle.
Exactly.
Mm-hmm. Good size yard.
Yeah, it's a 50-foot lot. So, I mean, you could put in your little pool or whatever it is that you want to do back here. And then wait until you see this primary. For a house this size, they didn't skimp. I think the primary is really big. It's vacant, which usually shows really small, but this thing is big. just a big room. I mean, definitely king size with nightstands, like big nightstands on either side. You can put a nightstand out there, put your TV. I mean, this is just a really good sized room. Come through into the ensuite, you got split vanities, which, you know, that's a big button for me. You've got a tub that we know is of interest. And then you've got a shower. That is really good size.
It's a great size shower.
Yeah. So
And
anyway,
it's
I mean,
easy, walk in, you don't have there's no tripping hazard right there.
Yeah. I mean, this just checks off a lot of boxes. We have some specific clients that we're looking for in our 55 plus clientele, and this is perfect for some of you guys. So that's why we wanted to bring it to you. The closet on this side is not overly big, but big enough for 2 people. I mean,
As
this
big
is,
as any of the 55 and overs.
yeah, I mean, this is great size. So anyway, let us know what you guys think. Do you guys want us to show you this kind of stuff? Like I said, they have activity directors. We have put lots of people. We were the #1 agent and team in this community for a long time. And we have tons of clients, empty nesters and everything that live here. And we know they put on really nice events for them. So if that is of interest to you, definitely let us know. If this is your first time on our channel, we're the only team in Texas that specializes in 55 and over active adult. That's usually our bread and butter. But we do all kind of downsize and all that stuff. So all across Texas. So definitely hit that subscribe button if that's what you're interested in. Let us know, drop us a comment below. Let us know if this is the sort of stuff you want to see, not only just 55 and over, but you want to see what else is available if you're thinking about downsizing. And again, if for all your Dallas, Texas, or all of Texas real estate needs, you know who to call. Andy Patrice, right here. Hit that dream home form. And until the next time, I'm Andy.
And I'm Patrice.
Take care.
All right, if you've made it this far, you're definitely our kind of people. So let's make this easy. If you're planning a move to an active adult community anywhere in the U.S., we're the team to help. We've spent years building the only nationwide network that specializes in this space. So before you scroll to the next video, click the link in the description and let's figure out your life after the grind.